This YouTube channel has gained 209,000 subscribers with only 16 videos. What's even crazier is that these 16 videos have gained 6.5 million views. All of these videos are long videos. Let's do some calculations, I'm sure it will blow your mind, but this niche has an RPM of around $2 to $4. And let's take the average RPM as $2.5. For those who don't know what RPM is, it's the amount that YouTube pays for every 1,000 views. So, let's multiply this value by the number of views after dividing it by 1,000. As you can see here, they have made more than $16,000 with these 16 videos. These are two other channels that are doing extremely well in this niche. Basically, this niche is about self-improvement and motivation, but with anime-style visuals, and that's why these videos are different from random motivational videos. But there is one problem. There's a huge risk of getting a copyright claim on these videos, because these anime clips are from popular anime shows. So, what should we do about it? In this video, I will show you how to make videos for this niche without getting any copyright claims. So, start your computer and let's start right now. This is going to be a fun tutorial. Let me show you a video I created for this niche.
Have you ever found yourself scrolling through your phone for hours, even though you told yourself you'd only check one notification? Or maybe you've promised to quit a habit, whether it's smoking, overeating, or binge watching, only to fall back into it the moment stress hits.
For this process, I'm going to use only 3 AI tools. The first thing we must do is generate a video script. These videos are normally not too long, it can be up to 5 minutes, but the most important thing is the presenting style of the video. That's why I created this unique prompt to generate a video script. You can use this script on ChatGPT or DeepSeek AI. Today, I will use DeepSeek AI. I would prefer DeepSeek AI rather than ChatGPT. What do you think? However, all you need to do is copy this prompt and change the title of the video to your title. As you can see here, it's generating an amazing script for this topic now. Make sure to read it, and if you want to change certain things, you can do that. I'm going to directly use this script without changing anything. Once you are done with the script, you need to generate voiceovers. I'm going to go over to the 11 labs and create voiceovers. For this niche, I would prefer to have a deep and energetic voice. Don't use soft voices because it's not going to match the energy of this script. The voice plays a huge part in the category. So after doing some research, I think I found the best voice. It's called Adam. Not the famous voice Adam. This is another Adam. Once you select it, copy the whole script and generate the voiceovers. Okay, half of the process is completed. Now, we need to make visuals for this video. That's where Domo AI comes in. This is a next-level AI video generator with various features such as video generations, image-to-video, and more. And I would like to thank Domo AI for sponsoring this video. So, let me show you how to use this tool to make visuals for our video. Once you sign up, you will come to this page. As you can see here, we have several apps. You can turn your videos into anime with this feature, and you can convert your images to video. And there are more features. Let's try a few of these. First, I'm going to try this image to video feature. This dashboard looks cool. I'm going to upload an AI image I generated. This is a famous anime character looking at the phone. Now, let's try to turn this into a video. Once the image is uploaded, you can edit these. I'm going to select this V2.1 model for this, and you can select the duration time, either 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Make sure to type a detailed prompt about what you need, and you can select the suitable aspect ratio. In this case, it needs to be 16:9 ratio for YouTube long videos. Then, click this Generate button. Looks like our video is completed. This looks absolutely perfect. I think if we use a more detailed prompt, it would improve this video more. Now, I'm going to try this video feature. With this feature, you can convert existing video to anime videos, and it's really simple. First, upload the video you want to convert to an anime. After that, you need to select an anime style for it. There are several styles available. Some of these styles look really cool. So I'm going to select one of these styles. Let's set the duration to 10 seconds. I'm going to select the 16:9 as the aspect ratio. Now, make sure to enable this option to track lip movement of the video. With the screen keys feature, you can remove the background and use one of the colors as the background of this video. Let's generate the video. This looks amazing. We can simply turn these normal videos into anime-style ones with this feature. If you don't like the style, you can always change it to a different anime style. Not only this, we can even generate images with this tool. To do so, you need to go to the text-to-image feature. This process is super easy. First, you need to select one of the image styles from these models. I'm gonna go with this cool anime style. Then, if you have any reference images, you can upload those to here. Let's select this aspect ratio. Then, you need to describe the image you want here. It will only take like several seconds to generate the images. As you can see here, it only costs us 1 credit, and we have 4 images. If you click this upscale option, it will increase the quality of this image like this. And if you click this vary option, it will make similar images. And we can use these anime images as visuals for our video. Before going into that process, let me show you one last feature. With this feature, you can make sure the character moves with a reference video. Let me show you. So once you go to this dashboard, you need to upload the reference video. I'm gonna go with this dancing video we previously used. As the character, I'm gonna add this anime character. Just like before, you need to select the AI model from here, and I'm gonna set the duration time to 10 seconds. And I'm gonna enter this prompt as well, and let's generate the video. Okay, this is the output, this looks cool. Now, let's make the visuals for our video. Let's go back to our video script, and I'm gonna use this prompt to generate some images. Using this prompt, I'm gonna get image generating prompts for the entire videos. As you can see here, we have image prompts for each scene of the video. Now, you can copy these prompts and generate images. Using those prompts, I have generated some images as visuals. Now we need to convert these into videos. You already know the process. Go to this feature, upload the images, and convert those to videos. It's really simple. After you complete that process, we need to put together all these clips and make the final video. For that, I'm gonna use CapCut. Once you open your project, make sure to select this 16 by ratio as the size of the video. Then, you need to import all the voiceovers and video clips to this. Let's start with adding voiceovers to the timeline. After that, all you need to do is add the video clips to the suitable places. It's not that complicated. So, I have added all the video clips to the timeline. Now, I want you to go to this adjustment layer and add a custom adjustment layer to the timeline. You can expand it to fit the whole timeline like this. Now, let's make some edits. You can change the brightness, contrast, and color tone of the video. You can just play with these settings and edit it. I'm gonna make it more like a vintage vibe. Make sure to increase this Vigente bar. It will give this cool black corners effect. So, if you go to this curves option, you can adjust the brightness of the video. So play with these settings and make your video better. After that, go to the text from the top menu and select the auto caption feature. With this feature, you can automatically generate the captions. It will only take several seconds. Now, let's make these captions more visible by adding some effects. You can change the size of the caption using the menu, and I'm gonna change the font as well. Now, if you scroll down, you can add some text effects. I'm gonna go with this white color effect with the black outline. Don't add fancy text styles to this video. After that, go to this animation and select the caption animation option. Now you can add some cool caption animations to these subtitles. Finally, you need to add the background music to the timeline and adjust the voice. And that's all.
Have you ever found yourself scrolling through your phone for hours, even though you told yourself you'd only check one notification? Or maybe you've promised to quit a habit, whether it's smoking, overeating, or binge watching, only to fall back into it the moment stress hits. Why is it so hard to break free, even when we know these habits are holding us back? Let's face it, addiction isn't just about substances like alcohol or drugs. It's about anything that hijacks your brain's reward system, leaving you trapped in a cycle of craving and regret.
This looks amazing. And guys, Domo AI made this process 100 times easier, so you can use the link in the description and get a 10% discount. And with that, today's video has come to an end. I will see you guys in the next video with a brand new niche.